Hello everyone, welcome back to G&L Learning Zone. In our previous lecture, we learned about the electrical circuit. Today we are going to study one of the most fundamental concept in electrical engineering. That concept is electric charge. Before we understand electric current, voltage or electrical power, we must first understand electric charge because electric charge is the origin of all electrical phenomena. Without electric charge, electricity simply cannot exist. So, let's begin. Before defining electric charge, let us first understand electricity. Look around you. Your mobile phone works, your laptop works, the fan rotates, the bulb glows. But have you ever asked yourself, what actually moves inside a wire? The answer is electric charge. Electricity is nothing but the movement of electric charges. That is why electric charge is considered the foundation of electrical engineering. Now, let's define electric charge. Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter that is responsible for electrical attraction and electrical repulsion. Now, let us understand this definition. Every material in this universe is made up of atoms. Inside every atom, there are three basic particles: proton, electron, and neutron. Among these, protons carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge, neutrons carry no charge. Therefore, electric charge is simply a property possessed by photons and electrons. There are only two types of electric charges: positive charge and negative charge. Now remember two important laws. Like charge repels each other, positive with positive, negative with negative. Unlike charges attract each other, positive with negative. This is actually the same principle used in magnets and electrostatic forces. When our electrons move from one object to another, charge imbalance occurs. This imbalance produces electricity. The SI units of electric charge is Coulomb. Its symbol is C. The symbol used for electric charge is Q. 1 coulomb represents a very large amount of electric charge. In fact, 1 coulomb contains approximately 6.242 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. This number is extremely important for competitive examinations like GATE, AE, and AEE. Let us understand this with a simple experiment. Take a plastic comb, rub it against your dry hair for a few seconds. Now bring the comb close to thin paper pieces. You will notice that the paper pieces are attracted towards the comb. Why? Because rubbing transfers electrons. The comb becomes negatively charged. The paper becomes electrically polarized. This creates an attractive force. This is a simple example of electric charge. Electric charge is used everywhere: mobile phones, batteries, capacitors, computers, electric vehicles, power stations, and transmission lines. Without electric charge, electrical engineering would not exist. Today we learned what electric charge, types of charge, charge inside an atom, SI units of charge, real life examples, applications, and in the next lecture we will study electric current and understand how electric charge starts moving inside a conductor. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to G&L Learning Zone. See you in the next lecture.